Hi, my name is Emily Turnbull, and I am doing a website review for the design. And I chose Amazon because I'm pretty sure I do all my shopping here. So I currently have the view in a Kindle Fire, and I will check to see how everything works. So it's pretty similar to how Amazon opens any regular browser. And I'm going to check today's deal, see how that looks. It works pretty well. You see that you can still sort. I mean, the response time isn't as quick, but it could still get the job done. And I am going to go to an iPhone 6, 7, or 8 Plus because that is what I use. This looks pretty similar to how like the size of my actual phone is, so that's kind of cool. And it still has today's deals up. So I'm just going to go to the menu to see if it works. And it does. And I am going to go to Toys, Kids, and Babies. And that pulls up. I am noticing though that I can't move side to side here, so that kind of is a bummer, but I can at least scroll up and down. I'm going to check that. See if we can do it on the new iPhone. Nope. I can't move over here, so that is a downfall, I guess, with Amazon for their design view, that you're unable to scroll that way. Thank you for listening to this.